I'm here today to talk about what is a Google site and when to use one. So I will just get down. I've got, as usual, I have 5 things to tell you about today. So I will just get to it. Um, a Google site is a free website that is created within your Google Drive, whether you have a Gmail account or a Workspace account, and it is hosted by your Google account, meaning the website lives within your Drive. That is where it is, and it is hosted there. That's where it is served up to the web. So you can, with a Google site, you can connect it to a business domain such as cluttercare.net, which is how I do mine. Or you can just publish it like you would share a Google Doc. You can publish it to the internet as where anybody can read it, or you can give it specific permissions, just like other Google products. So again, you can connect your Google site to a business domain, or you can just publish it as is and then send people the URL, just like you would send them a link to a doc. And in that case, then you can make websites for anybody, any group of people where you need to post information, whether that is your clients or your team or any other group of people. Obviously you can make one for your business, but if you just want to have a page or two for your clients or your team, you can definitely do that. If your team is always looking for links that they need, that would be a great reason to use a Google site internally. All right, number 3, Google Sites is perfect for, number 1, businesses who are just starting out, because it's a very simple drag and drop, easy platform to use, and it's basically free with your account. It is a drag and drop website builder. It has components that you can pull in and use. It is very easy for you to maintain and publish on your own. So as you need to update links or add photos or change your descriptions or add web pages, very easy to do. Whether you're starting with a 1-page website or you have 5 or 10 pages, also extremely easy to use and drag and drop the pages in your menu. My website is a Google site. Feel free to check it out, cluttercare.net and www.cluttercare.net, and see all the things you can do with a Google site. Number 4, you can also embed files from your Google Drive, videos from YouTube, and calendars. If you have if you're giving classes at a particular date, I used to have a calendar embedded on my website, so you can do that. And of course, Google Forms or schedulers of any sort from any platform at all, whether it's Keep or Google or anything else, any other CRMs and scheduling software you're using, you can embed those into your Google site. That's number 4. So I'll go through those 4 things one more time. Number 1, a Google site is a free site that you can create in your Google Drive. Number 2, you can connect it to your business domain, or you can just publish it as is and share people the link. Number 3, it is perfect for people who are just starting out because it's essentially free and a basic drag and drop, easy to add things to from your Google Drive. And number 4, you can embed things from your Google Drive or any other software that has a scheduler, calendar, forms, all of that can just get embedded in the site. Number 5 is the only drawback that I know of to Google Sites so far, which is that, believe it or not, because it's so basic, there's nowhere to put information, the code, I should say, to help run Google Ads. If I find a way around it, I will let you know. But in the meantime, that is the only drawback. So if you are already using Google Ads or plan to use Google Ads, that is the only reason I would say don't do it. Other than that, I have been totally fine with my Google site for many years, and I have made Google sites for multiple previous jobs as well. So I hope that that is all. I saw in the group that a lot of people do not have a Google site, which is fine, about 83%, and 16% do have a Google site. Again, best for people who are starting out and don't want to pay for a larger site, more complex site. somebody else to build the site. If you're a DIYer, Google Sites is your friend. I think that is about all about Google Sites. Feel free to type replay at the bottom of this. If you're watching on replay, feel free to ask any questions about anything I said. I will try to get back to you in the next day or two. And if you're interested in making a Google site or working at all on your Google Workspace in general, any part of it, please feel free to contact me for a 15-minute clarity call so we can see how you and I can work together, and we can also work you into this roadmap to clients and get you really set and on your way to a wonderful business. Our goal here is to help you succeed, save time, and run that business like nobody else. So I will pop the link for a clarity call into the notes or the first comment, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.